Hi everyone. Good evening. Myself Kriti. Last time we have discussed with you all about some motivational tips during the COVID-19 lockdown. So I hope you must have all liked that video a lot, and thank you all very much. Loads of thank you to everybody, those who have watched my video and subscribed to my YouTube channel. Thanks a lot for that. Okay. Now, today in my today's video, I'm going to talk about personality development. Many people also know that last month and before that only, I've started with some personality development classes as well. Okay. Now, people actually want to know that what is actually you can call it as personality grooming or personality development. Now, if I talk about personality development or personality grooming, so what is it all about? See, if I talk about developing the personality of a person, or if I talk about developing the personality of a child, so they both matter a lot in today's era, first of all. Okay, so if I talk about that how we work upon developing the personality of students first or for children. Okay, see, we have divided different categories according to the age groups, that how can we actually work upon developing students or children's personality. Now, if I talk about the students nowadays, so it's really important, like being as a teacher, I have faced a lot of things in my career, in my life, where I can tell you this, that the parents have come to me and have inquired about this, and they have talked to me personally about these problems related to that our students, related to the children, like they don't behave nicely and properly at home, they're not well behaved, and they don't have the that basic mannerism which we used to have in our times, to talk to the people or to talk to elders in the house even. Okay, so these things, they matter a lot, really. Yes. Like if I talk about this, uh, so what is it actually? I have told some parents that if you will actually work upon your child's personality. Now, if I talk about developing or working upon child's personality, that means that you have to, brush upon the skills of a child, starting from an early age. If we start from this process from an early age itself, like if I say, like a child starts growing properly, he get into his senses when he's like 1.5 to 2 years. Okay, children nowadays, they catch up things very very easily and quickly. Okay, their mind is quite sharp. They are attracted towards the things around them. So what happens actually, first of all, the first and the foremost criteria which the parents need to keep in the mind is that they should always take care of this, that what environment they are providing to their children in the house. Okay, I know you cannot judge the things outside the house, when they are outside, when they are in the school. See, if you are sending your children to the school, it's all schools and the teachers' responsibility there to keep an eye upon them. Okay, if you feel your child is actually getting behavioral changes or mood swings, or his or her temperament levels are not, you are not able to control them, then for the school purpose or for the class purpose, I would suggest the parents that please talk to your child's class teacher and to the school authorities if this is going at a higher level. Because if we can control, if you will control all these things, the temperament levels, the mood changes, the mood swings, and all such kind of behavioral changes of your child at an early age only, if you stop this, if you will if you'll be able to control all these things initially, then you will not suffer much in the future. Because once your child gets controlled initially, he will not create a trouble for you as well as for his teacher, or for her teacher. These things are really important, because nowadays this is a very common problem which every kind of parent is actually facing, so I'm advising you, parents, that please work upon this. Okay, this is a very crucial time. You can teach your children at home during this lockdown period the basic mannerism, how to talk, how to behave properly. What you all can do, if your child is with you at home, first of all, what you all can do is that create such kind of aura, create such kind of environment around him that he gets positivity all around. Don't nowadays, like, children are more attracted towards the social media or the entertainment kind of modes, like television, iPads, mobile phones, and there are lot many medias, such kind of things. Children are addicted to many kind of things, so it's better not to make them addicted. If you are actually seeing your child that he's facing the problem of getting addicted to the media, or like television, mobile phones, iPad, anything, okay, so I am advising you really that please, 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 you are the first person that you have to stop your doing the usage of all these devices at home. If your child sees you at home that you are not using, like, the television and the other kind of modes, entertainment modes at home, see, once in a while, or you can say sometimes, it's all right, it's all okay. But if it is getting a severe habit, then that will create a trouble for everybody. Okay, so it's better that there are lot many things which they it's not just about that it's a matter of addiction or something else. These kind of devices or these kind of entertainment modes, they have psychological effects as well on your child's brain, on your child's mental development. So it's really important that you all should work, first of all, on your child's environment, whatever environment he's living at home. Okay, create positivity all around, play with him, spend more time with your child, talk to him, that whatever he feels, teach him new kind of things that he should actually know about the world, about the present era, what is actually going on in and around him, in his country, what is actually going on. Okay, see, this actually doesn't matter that if your child is small, that you cannot teach him that what is actually going around in the country. I know you cannot teach him all the things at an early age, but you can still teach him a lot of things which he should know. So it's really important that you should work upon all these kind of things, all right, and spend a lot more time with your child. Okay, so this is one of the first and the most important personality development factor which all the parents should work upon. Yeah, and the other thing, like, if you feel that your child has now grown up, now he is already misbehaving, let's say suppose he or she is a teenager, but still he or she does not behave properly at home. Again, the temperament levels, changes, swings are there. So again, I would suggest you for that please do not worry about it. Okay, you can still resolve this problem at an ease, but you have to be a bit patient for that. Okay, first of all, talking to teenagers, first of all, is really, really, really important. Actually, they are they are quite grown-ups nowadays, and they understand a lot of things around them. So when they see that the parents they are not giving their precious time to them, So they actually, start getting aggressive. All right, they become rude towards their parents or towards their other family members. So this is obviously not a good behavioral change. So just for talking to, just by talking to them personally on a, on one-to-one face level, and discussing about their problems, whatever they are going through in their life. Sometimes, nowadays teenagers, they do fall in the relationships as well. So this kind of all kind of things, create mental pressure upon the teenagers. Okay, so you have to, teach them in a proper way, so that it does not suppress them. You don't have to stop them by from doing any kind of thing. See, this is that kind of age, this teenage, if I'm talking about, this is that kind of age wherein children do not listen to their parents easily. When you will say no to them, when you will say no to them, to not continue with any kind of thing, so they will do that thing only more. So it's better that you just sit with them, discuss with them their problems, what actually they are facing in their life. So it's really important. So while discussing with them, you will get to know that these are the challenges which they actually face. It can be any kind of pressure which can be shocking for you. So it's better that you give precious time to them, sit with them, talk to them. Okay, when you will, parents, when you will, start engaging yourself with them now, so you realize they will, start getting diverted from the social media as well, because nowadays, teenagers, if I talk about, they get more attracted towards this media because they are they are not prone to love. They do not get, they are that scarcity, that emptiness in their heart is always there, that nobody loves us, okay, nobody cares about us. So this is really important that you sit with them and talk to them on a regular basis. Okay, so this was the first point which I have discussed with you all. I hope you all apply it on your lives, and please find a solution to these kind of problems. This is really important for you all. Okay, and if you have any kind of query, any doubt, or any kind of problems related to such kind of things, you can ask me anytime. Okay, I'm always there. You can go ahead with my YouTube channel by the name Kriti Kathuria. If you will just type this name on the YouTube, you'll find out my YouTube channel. Please watch this video and do share your reviews, your feedback again, and let me know if you have any doubts. Thank you for listening to me. Thanks a lot. Goodbye. Take care. Stay blessed.